YouTube as a landing page for your business, basically how you can kind of shortcut the ranking process locally. So what I do is I use this site called Coliseum Creator, and it generates AI videos pretty quickly and pretty easily. Now you don't need to make more than a 2-minute video, and you can see I've got a couple here that I've already created. Here's one that is on credit repair. But I've done them for remote notary, I've done them for notary, I've done them for legal documents, I've done them for a variety of things, and I want to show you how powerful this it is for notaries to get ranking. What you do is obviously what you're going to do is create a video to upload to YouTube, which is really easy, and it doesn't have to be a lot of content. The trick is really just the keywords and the location. So you could make a video here. You would just do new draft, and then okay, if I start from scratch, I can go here to media, and you can type in things like there might even be something if I typed in notary. Um, something with some documents. I think if you type in legal, you might find more um, graphics that you like. That's not legal. Let's try that again. Okay, here we go. So you could grab and drop any of these graphics, and obviously you can spread them out so they fill the screen. And the real trick here with this creator is the script. So you copy and paste the script in here, and that would be something that is promoting your business. Now, if you don't know what to say, you can always go to good old Chat GPT and let it help you out. Basically, you want to talk about your notary service. So if you go to Chat GPT, you can tell it what you want it to do. So you can tell it to write a sales pitch for Noble Notaries. Mobile Notary service, and this could be anything. It could be your online service, your fingerprinting, your whatever. It'll generate the copy for you. See, here we go. It's building a pitch for you right now. I mean, and this is pretty good. And you could just take this as your skeleton framework and then change some stuff up as you want. But basically, you take, copy and paste half of it, go back to Coliseum Creator and paste it in, and then do a new frame. And media, we said law, pretty good. And find another graphic or view frame. It doesn't really matter, guys. This isn't the point. What the point is actually something entirely else. And I'm going to show you that. But so in this next one, there's script. I'm going to add more of the script that ChatGPT created for me to close this video out. And then what I would do from here is hit the generate button. And we could just title this Mobile Notary. And it'll create a video that you can download in a matter of, and here's add subtitles. Always add subtitles. You want the subtitles in there. And it'll create a video in a matter of a couple of minutes that you can use. And it's only going to be a couple of minutes long. But what you do from here is you go to YouTube and you would upload it, obviously, which is pretty easy. If you have a YouTube account, you're going to go to your YouTube and you're just going to upload. Which is right here. If you don't know, you would click here. So the secret sauce, you just click create. The secret sauce when you upload a video, you take that video you downloaded, and how you're using this as a lead generation is, so you'd upload the file that you downloaded, but how you would use this as a lead generation is you would title the town, and obviously you may have several towns. You're going to have 5 or 6 cities around you. You may have 30. It doesn't matter. You take the content and you spin it. But you would title the service you offer, which would be mobile notary service or online notary service, and the town. And then you can fill this content out with like that script as well that the AI generated for you. But the important takeaway is the town that you're in or that you want to show up in, and the service you offer, the top keywords for the service you offer. So mobile notary service, document preparation service, uh, divorces if you're doing legal documents, or remote online notary services. And then you will post that YouTube video. And so this can literally be a faceless video that has information on it. But within days to a couple of weeks, that video will rank on Google. So let me show you how powerful this really is. So here is a example of, this is a med spa that I'm helping, and I'm helping her to rank in the top 3 here. And that's a process. It takes some time. There's some back work to do. But to jump start that process, we created a AI YouTube video for her, which is still on the first page of Google, right here. Ormond Beach Med Spa Aesthetics. And what's interesting is it's the only video on the first page of Google because nobody else does this stuff. So let me show you some stuff I've done recently. And it tells you when I put it up. So Titusville apostilles. So if you aren't offering apostilles as a notary, you should, because it's great money. But this is, again, I'm just showing you an example. Apostilles in Titusville. So my landing page, probably my own WordPress landing page, is probably on this page somewhere. I don't know. But this video that I literally made a day ago is, and we're incognito in Google, so it doesn't know. There's your map stack, your map listings, and then look at this third one down, Titusville Legal Document Preparation and Apostille Services. A video with all our contact info in that video, right? So let's go look at another one. Here is DeLand Online Notary. I typed in DeLand Online Notary. And of course, DeLand's within driving distance, so I would do mobile notary to DeLand. Here's the map stack, the top 3, which we're definitely in this, but we're not the top 3 at the moment. So we're probably number 4 or 5, whatever, if they were going to look at more. But on the first page of Google, 5 down, apostille and online notary services for Daytona, DeLand, Deltona. A video with our phone number right there in the description. You see how Easy. We outrank all these other sites. We outrank freaking SnapDocs. Okay, so I did this again, very recently for wedding efficient. And again, I know if you type in wedding efficient, high competition, this is wedding efficient is a high competition word, a very high competition. And I know that if you go to the map stack, you'll find us in here, or probably again a couple of them down. We're not the top three, which wouldn't be the case for Port Orange. If you look at Port Orange, I know for a fact we're the top listing, but for Daytona, we're not there. But still on the first page of Google, this is very high competition keywords. Daytona Beach wedding efficient marriage services. Our phone number in the description and a less than 2 minute video. First page of Google. When was this video created? 10 hours ago. Okay, talk about ranking fast. So let's try another one. Online Notary Deltona. Okay, same thing. I know I'm almost positive my landing page is going to show up in one of these here anyway, but look at this. Apostille Online Notary Services for Daytona, Deltona, Deland. So if I searched Online Notary, if I searched Apostille, shows up first page. Let me show you another one. Fingerprinting. Again, we offer fingerprinting services. And I know that we would show up in the map stack. We're not in the top three. So to remedy that, I create a video. And so if somebody is in Daytona Beach and they're looking for fingerprinting, there's the sheriff's office, there's some other stuff that's not really useful, and people will be able to sift through stuff that's not useful. But still, within a day, this YouTube video has become first page Daytona Beach ink card fingerprinting and FBI background checks. So this is how we do it, is with those keywords, the service, and the area, and you can literally take the same content and spin it over and over again and find yourself ranking. And this video may actually be done rendering. So we would go to generated videos, and it's still working on it, this mobile notary video. But we've done this exact same thing for credit repair, for legal documents. I've done it over and over again. This site will let you create so many videos per month for free, which you don't really need to create that many videos. Create a few of them on the key products that you offer or services that you offer, and then use that video over and over again for the different cities that you want to service. And this will allow you to generate leads. People don't even have to watch your video. Don't look at video watches like that's a thing. They will just see it in Google and then maybe just go right to the link or go to the phone number and not even actually watch your video. Or they might watch the video, but even then, you see how I've created a pretty compelling and convincing video in just a matter of minutes. So that's it. You can use this. Notaries can use YouTube and BitChute for that matter as a landing page because those will rank in Google quickly. Okay.